Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to manage online status on Bigo Live. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to manage online status on Bigo Live. Maybe because when you're online and it shows to other people that you're online, so they start messaging you. So it really irritates you a lot and you want to get rid of these things. Or maybe you don't want any other person to know that when you're online and when you're not online. Or it could be any other reason for you to manage your online status on Bigo Live. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Bigo Live, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Bigo Live to open this app. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. On your home screen, you will see different creators and live streams because we are in the home section. And on the top, you will see some categories based on different types of videos like virtual live, game, popular, and different things related to it. Other than that, if you look at the bottom, we have five options. Right now we are in the home section. Other than that, we have explore section. We have an option through which you can go live, and you can go with the communities like groups, and with the last option you can go to your profile, which is the similar icon to your profile or me. So you just have to simply tap onto this option. Once you tap on it, you will get into your profile. There you will see your name, your profile picture, and other information related to your account. So from all these options, you could also see we have another option which is similar to settings icon, which is on the top, this one. You just have to simply tap onto this option, and then you will land into the settings page. First, you will read the title of settings and find different options here. Every option here is different from each other and performs its own tasks in the app. So from all these options, what you have to do is that you just have to simply select this first option, which is privacy. Just simply tap onto it, and then we will land into the page of privacy. Here all these options are related to the privacy matters through which you can secure your account. Here we have an option which says hide your online status. This second option, right now it is turned off. That means everyone will be able to know when this account will get online and offline. And if you want to get rid of these things, just simply tap onto this option, and this option will be turned on. That means no other person will get to know when you're online or offline. So if you're okay with that, you can keep it. But if you again want to turn this off because you think that this option isn't helpful for you, so you can again do that by tapping on it, and if you again tap on it, it will be activated. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can hide, or you could say manage, your online status on Bigo Live. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.